The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. All three of these are spheres for the unborn embodiment of the Dharma. We do not confuse the individual sensations we experience with an object, or a sense organ, or a practice. This is clear. The self-occurring will occur to us in any case. The true nature of the embodiment of perfect pleasure shines. It encompasses all things, and is able to achieve its purpose. An inconceivable variety of things rise up in our awareness. They are manifest to us and work out for us. Self-originating awareness is a manifest embodiment. It may, of course, be any subtle or gross body among all those who are born and live. It appears in the playfulness of a miraculously occurring embodiment. The supreme embodiment of the clear light of wisdom is beyond any words that may be spoken about clear and empty awareness in any language that is superior or average. It is free from them. To be free from speech is actually an undeceiving speech. It is not a visualization. It is not an engagement in thoughts about definitions. We use the finest heart essence of the embodiment of the Dharma to speak, a shining experience of encountering signs to understand, and the birth of certainty to cut through our doubts. When we use the signs, we will not have two ways to understand the meaning. This is clearly stated among the proclamations of perfect enjoyment. Because it is able to achieve its purpose without mixing with conventionalities, it is related to a purpose and is luminously pervasive. It accords with everything, joining with its own symbols. The speech of manifest beings is naturally pervasive. The nature of words that are not to be spoken everywhere illuminates the totality of what is self-originated. The sounds we hear about this miraculously occurring self-luminescence appear to us as the speech of playful wisdom. Awareness that remembers and thinks does not see anything. Self-luminous liberation does not contemplate anything. The finest heart of non-dual awareness has no conceptual definitions. The many things are self-luminous and transform into happiness. They are not anything at all. They are luminescent in everything. We enter the pathway of the happiness of clear light. The heart of great bliss is pervasively encompassing. It is not connected in any way with the many things. It does not dwell alone, but shines pervasively, with considerations for accommodating everyone.